Okay, for the input devices, basically, the input is the things that capture the signal from outside world to be brought in computer. If we can say easily. So input devices included including video camera, video recorder, audio microphone. Now I'm using the microphone, keyboard, so the stylus, the pen, whereby I can write this particular word in the screen right now. You can see, right, in the screen. Okay, then a mouse, obviously I can turn upside down and turn around the mouse. Okay, so 3D input devices, tactile sensors, VR, and so on. So depending on the environment and task, so whereby if we are facing the environment of reporting, so the inputs devices that we involve in is keyboard. So psychology limitation is could be microphone, and limited for the screen space, it will be trackball. Okay, so it depends on how behavior and environment that we are in. Okay, so these are the example of the input devices: video cam, tablet, 3D, trackball, touch, and this one is a modern type of input devices. So speaking of the output, so we have the medium that get information processed within the computer, out from the computer to a specific device. So whereby we do have we did discuss about the CD just now. Okay, speaker. CD is basically places that we burn, or we put the data on that kind of storage, right? So speakers is producing the DAC sound, so from digital to audio, so we can hear any voices in our with our ears. Monitors, obviously, now I'm looking up to the monitors. Okay, so color printers, obviously we can print out. Example, this is the timetable, so I can print anything as the output, so on a piece of paper. Okay, computer display screen, the main principal output device as a human interface. Okay, so that would be other technologies in computer display. So we have, I think most of you maybe could be familiar with from LCD. So CRT is, I think you guys know the CRT TV, the one that have very big thick width of television. So that would be the previous one, when who lives who 90s or 80s, I think 80s or 90s. So LCD came down, I think 1000. Plasma, I use it, I think 2008. And OLED is, I think the youngest after the LCD, plasma, and this one available, I think 2010 or before that. Okay, so that would be the technology behind the display. So speaking about the combined input, so we have touchscreen, computer interface that function both in and output. So frankly speaking, we can easily talk about the cell phone over here. So could be in and output devices, right? Resistive touchscreen and capacitive touchscreen. Okay, so this one resistive touchscreen. If you notice that the previously in 2000 to 2010, okay, so I use the Garmin map device, so there will be screen. So that screen is basically resistive, means you need to press it by the resistive, okay, not the capacitive. Capacitive mean you just touch the screen. Is any things that react to the screen, that would be capacitive. Okay, bare finger, conductive. That would be the idea. So the resistive mean pressure. You need to force some kind of press and force pressure to that particular display. Okay. For the storage technologies, we do have, I think we do have two. In general idea, we do have RAM and ROM. Okay. So RAM is the the thing that short period, and while this one is the long period one. So speaking about ROM, we do have many types of ROM over here. So I think we could say we do have HDD, what else? SSD, NVMe. Okay, so that would be the place that we store something. And then network in system. Okay, I think computer. This one is the local network. Is I think is you might be familiar with internet and so on. This one. Okay, about the characteristic of multimedia system would be 4. CIDI. So computed control, integrated, digitally, and interactive. Okay, so that would be the key point. So obviously there will be many of the field which related to the multimedia. So businesses, school, home, and public places. So right now I'm using for the education purpose for my recording. Okay. And this will be the example for everything. Okay. So we have this and that. Okay. Thank you for watching the NMZH channel. So hopefully you guys enjoy and get the benefit knowledge from this video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.